Right guys, this is another little review I'm going to be doing of the Bcb sold Pocket Chainsaw. This is the military version, as it has paracord wrist loops. Okay, so it's just a fold chainsaw, and I've actually put this to the test quite a bit over this last week and a half, same as the torch, and I've got some great use out of it, and it's quite a great tool, wicked tool. Comes in a little pouch. What more can you ask, really? I'll just show you up against the fire still how big the pouch is. There you go, that's the army fire still. So it's not much actually, it's the same length, just a little bit longer this fire still in the width, so it's not that big, folds down very small. What more could you ask for of a useful saw tool if you don't want to carry the folding saw? So we're going to have a look at this and see how it works now. And just to show you how small it does go, it doesn't take long to pack away. Keep the paracord out of the way. Okay, and then the paracord just sits on top, and you can open the pouch, stuff it all in, and that's it. See, that can easily fit in your pocket, any pouch. And like I said, it's no bigger than a fire still in length. Okay, it's not heavy at all, it's a few pounds at most. So let's take a look at it now. So I'll tell you what, it will warm your body up, and that is a fact. So this log is approximately 2 inches wide, 4 inches in diameter, and it cut through with ease. These are the type of logs I have been cutting, and bigger, over this the weekend just gone, so I do need to sharpen it up a bit more, as it is going a bit dull, but as you can tell, it cut through that in no time. So guys, this is it in action again, just to show you. There you go, the same bit of log, that's the bit I just cut before, this is the bit I just cut now. So it is a great little tool, and if you look after it, grease it up when you pack it away, it'll last you a long time.